Namaste everyone. Welcome to third lecture of application of derivatives. This is Rajesh. In this third lecture, we are going to see the next application, that is approximation. Let y equal to fx be any function of x, and let delta x be a small change in x and delta y be the corresponding change in y. That is, delta y is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. You can see in the diagram there is a curve. On that curve we have a point p x comma y. Now on this curve, when we increase this x coordinate, then the y coordinate is also increasing. When the x coordinate becomes x plus delta x, the y coordinate becomes y plus delta y. Now you can see that I have 2 points. One is point Q and one is point S. Now here the point Q, that is the actual change in the coordinate y, right? So when x changes to x plus delta x, the y changes to y plus this delta. This triangle shape is read as delta y. So for a change of delta x, there is a change of delta y in y. Now this change in y, delta y, is what? It is the difference between this value, which is y plus delta y. Now y plus delta y is what? It is a function. Y is a function of x. So y plus delta y is a function of x plus delta x. So this y plus delta y is f of x plus delta x. Now from this y, if I subtract y plus delta y, if I subtract this y, that is y coordinate of point Q minus y coordinate of point P, will give me delta y. So this delta y is f of x plus delta x minus f of x, right? I hope you are getting it. This change, this delta y, okay, this delta y is what? It is the y coordinate of point Q minus the x coordinate of point y coordinate of point P. So the difference of y coordinate of Q and y coordinate of P is your delta y, and this delta y, if I talk in terms of function, so y coordinate of point Q is f of x plus delta x, and the y coordinate of point P is f of x. So this is the difference, this delta y. Now by derivatives, dy is f dash x into dx, that is dy upon dx is f dash x, that is derivative, we all know. Now here dx is equal to delta x, that means the change in y is very small. So dy is f dash x dx, or I can say that dy is dy upon dx into delta x. Now this value, this dy, you can see on the graph, dy is when we draw a tangent at point P, then in that case for a change of delta x, there is a change of dy, right? Now this dy is the approximation of this delta y when dx is very small. So when this delta x is relatively small means as compared to x, the value of delta x is very small. In that case, this dy is equals to delta y. So we can denote that this delta y is approximately equal to dy, and thus we can say that f of x plus delta x is approximately, f of x plus delta x means this y coordinate. This is approximately equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. So this is the way we can use derivatives to find the approximate value of a function. So f of x plus delta x is approximately equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. Now this f of x plus delta x is what? It is the actual y coordinate which we want to find based on the value of y coordinate of the given point. okay, y, and f dash x is what? It is the derivative of the function with respect to x. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. The problem is using differentials find the approximate value of square root of 49.5. Now it is difficult to find square root of 49.5. But if I ask you what is the square root of 49, it is easy. You can say that it is 7. So that means suppose there is a point x given which is 49 and its function, that is f of x, is also known, that is 7. So x and y, they are known. And if you see, there is a change in x, right? In 49 we have made a change of 0.5. We have increased this x by 0.5. So definitely there is going to be a change in function, that is change in the value of square root of 49.5. The value of square root 49 we know it is 7. So x and y is given. Now we have to find what is y plus delta y, right? Or what is f of x plus delta x. Now let us see. First we are going to define the function in terms of x and y. So easily we can see that my function f(x) is square root of x. Now differentiate it. Its derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. Now here we will compare and we will take the value of x as 49, value of dx is 0.5. Then f of x plus delta x will become f of 49.5, that is square root of 49.5. F of x is square root of 49, which we can get easily, that is 7. F dash x is 1 upon 2 root 49, it is 1 upon 40. Now we have just seen there is a formula that f of x plus delta x is approximately equal to f of x plus f dash x delta x. So in place of f of x plus delta x we can replace root 49.5. It is approximately equal to f of x, which is 7, plus f dash x delta x, that is 1 upon 14 into 0.5. Its calculation comes out to be 7.035. So you have seen that how we have used this derivative to find the approximate value of 49.5 when my delta x is relatively small as compared to x, right? So there are many more problems that we are going to see when we see exercise for this particular topic. So in this lecture we stop here. Here we have seen the concept of approximations, and the next lecture we are going to see the next application, that is tangents and normals. Thank you.